Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. So if you are accessing any of the website like Facebook, WhatsApp or any other website in which you are facing this kind of error which is thrown by your browser. So in order to overcome or in order to fix this, you guys have to just simply go to your first of all you have to simply go to control panel of your Windows. In order to go to control panel, just simply click on the start button here. So after coming to the start button, you guys can be able to see the search bar here. So just simply search for control panel. So I'm just simply searching for control panel, and you have to simply open up the control panel of the Windows here. So after coming to that, here is the option which is in network and internet. So what you have to do is just simply hit this option which is network and internet, and here what you have to do is just simply click on network and sharing center. So after coming to that, now here you have to select your accessed Wi-Fi. So I have connected with this Wi-Fi connection. So in order to open up these connections, you have to simply click on this option. Here you will be able to see the any other your modem, Ethernet cable or any other connection which is currently connected with you. So what you have to do is just simply click on this blue button here. So after coming to this, you guys can be able to see this kind of options will be appeared here. These are all the information about your connected internet or connected internet connection. So just simply click on this properties. So after coming to this properties, what you have to do is just simply go to scroll down until you will be able to find which is Internet Protocol version 6 TCP. So what you have to do is just simply uncheck this mark. So after coming to this, make sure you have unchecked this mark and make sure you have unchecked this also, which is Internet Protocol 4 version. After coming to that, just simply hit the OK, and simply you have to just simply click on yes. After coming to that, and simply click on close, and you are good to go. In this way, you guys can whenever restart your page, and that issue will be fixed. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.